In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Hubspot. We all know how essential it is to have a well-structured email template ready for communication, whether it's for your marketing efforts or just everyday business use. So let's dive into the simple steps that you can follow to get your template up and running in just a few minutes. First things first, open up your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed to the login process. Now, if you're already signed into your Google account, this step will be even quicker. Simply click on Sign in with Google and select your account from the list provided. This is a seamless and secure way to access your Hubspot account without having to remember an additional password. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel on your dashboard. Click on Marketing, which is your gateway to all things email related in Hubspot. Now locate the email option and click on it to continue. This will direct you to the section where you can manage all of your email templates and communications. At the top right corner of the next page, you'll see the Create Email button. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Regular. This selection will allow you to work with a standard email format, perfect for most communications. Next up, it's time to create your new template. Look for the Create New Template option and click on it. You'll now be prompted to enter a name for your email template. Choose a name that's descriptive and indicative of what this template will be used for, as this will make it easier to find later on. After naming your template, confirm the creation by clicking on Create Template. This action will lead you to the editing page where the real customization begins. Now you can start editing your email template. You have the flexibility to add text, images, links, and any other elements that align with your branding and communication style. Once you're happy with the content and structure of your email template, make sure to save your work. You'll find the Save and Update button located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on this will ensure that all your customization is saved and your template is ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a customizable email template in HubSpot, ready to enhance your communication strategy. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy emailing.